Bob's Workshop. This is part 5 of my Alpine Resort build. I've been using foam core and little wooden sticks and some mat board along with a whole lot of hot glue to make a new building for my O-gauge layout. In the earlier 4 episodes, you saw its construction and how I made the roof, and also how I made some stones from pink insulation. Today, it gets painted, at least mostly painted. I still have to make the windows and install them, so there might be some additional touch-ups to the paint before I'm done. And I hope you like it because I'm really happy with the way it's going so far. Here is episode 5, part 5, whatever you want to call it, of my Alpine Resort, and this one is all about paint.
This has been my first experience with using foam core as a construction material. Prior to this, I'd only seen it used to build models from my daughter's high school architecture class. That was many years ago, and those were pretty cool, and a lot were even near this same scale. I won't say that it's the most durable product, but it is affordable and very easy with which to work. Pink insulation board is also a very friendly craft material. It's sturdy and very easy to cut. I was also surprised to find out how much I like using a hot glue gun. And now that I'm at this point, it's time to begin painting. Almost everything I've used so far could be found in the craft aisle at Walmart or Hobby Lobby, including this water-based craft paint. I thinned it with a little bit of water, and it will be the base coat for the shingles and the stonework. I think that the steps to the main entrance could use a wash of that medium brown color. I'll still be refining the look as I go along, but my next step will be making the windows and the lobby entrance from sheet plastic. I was thinking about having red window frames for a pop of color, but I'll probably just use brown or flat black. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.